Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix fail shared printer cannot be installed. Click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Click Add a Printers and Scanners. Click the printer that I want is not listed. Check Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, click Next. Check Create a new port. Select local port, click Next. Type / shared printer address. You can also use an IP address with shared printer name. Click OK. Select your printer manufacturer name and printer name. If not available in printer list, manually download the printer driver from manufacturer website. Click Next. Check Do not share this printer, click Next. Click Print a test page, click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.